Welcome to this week's of Duane's Dialogue. This week we're going to talk about our post caps, which we're extremely proud of. It's been years that we've been manufacturing, I think 16 years. They result from a deck builder asking us to design a one-of-a-kind post cap. And when I say one-of-a-kind, it's a post cap that's structurally sound. You don't have to worry about the wind blowing it off. It's strong beyond words. In fact, we're going to show you a picture of driving on top of one. And at one point we had insurance companies recommending to people who had hail damage our post caps because of the strength of them. So his name was Rondi, and that's the reason we've got the Rondi name. But we also have the Big Kahuna, which is our largest one. And you know, believe it or not, this weighs just less than 4 pounds. So pretty strong. So being a manufacturer, we allow you to do some customization that nobody else does. One of them is lighting on all 4 sides, 3 sides, 2 sides and 1 side. So 3 sides would be if the post cap goes up next to the house. Along those same lines, do you really want that same geometry up against the house? If you let us know, for a nominal fee, we'll actually cut the post cap so it fits flush up against your house, which is a really good finished look. One of the things we also do is we're very sensitive to corrosion. So years ago, it was a small upcharge for any post cap that was going into a salt air environment. We would put an epoxy primer on first. Now we're doing it across the board. So what you're seeing with the post cap is not only the base color, but a epoxy primer, which is impervious to salt air below it. So that's who I am. We go to great lengths. We do things you can't even see on the post caps because we're DEKOR. So all of our post caps come with our plug and play connectors, which make it a breeze. So all of the post caps have a male connector. So you're going to take your 5-foot wire, which is included with the cap, and that's routed down through either the composite material, or you're going to have to cut a groove in the structural timber, which a lot of people do, and then just put a little bit of wood on top of it. It's a nice finished look. So as you know, we do our own powder coating. So believe it or not, last week we did a post cap in orange and red. So again, being the manufacturer, we're capable of doing things that nobody else can do. There's a palette of a couple thousand colors. So if you want to get close to your house color, nobody else can do that. Only DEKOR can do that. When you order post caps from DEKOR, we think we've hit all of our bases. So we've got the small little Rondi here, which is sized at 3.5 by 3.5, which is 4-dimensional wood fir or redwood, all the way up to the Big Kahuna, which is 6 inches by 6 inches. And again, that's for dimensional 6 by 6 posts. And then what we've got in the middle span is really covering the composite market. You know, the sleeves that go over the 4x4s that are prevalent out there. So we've done a good job of capturing all those composites. There's a slight clearance in between the outside of the composite and the inside of the post cap. That's by design because you really don't want a tight fit. And so we believe we've covered all the bases with the sizes. Being the manufacturing and doing the powder coating under our own roof allows us to meet a quality standard that nobody else strives for. You know, our mill thicknesses on our powders aren't the 1 to 2 mils, mill being less than a sheet of paper, but we're really the 3, 5, 7 mils thick. not including the primer coat. So we spend the time, and it's almost an art, powder coating the post caps to very, very high standards. Our colors, nobody else has our colors. We're really excited about the new black gold and what that's going to do. If only I could take you by the hand, pull you through the screen you're looking at right now, and walk you through the facility and see what we do with each and every product, the dedicated people, the above and beyond standards that we strive for, then you would understand why DEKOR is the way it is. Our core values are quality, value, and workmanship. And I wish I could just pull you through